Hey everyone, this is Cindy and Ernest with Empty Nesters Life Now, and want you to continue on in our build of our upsized tiny house as we move into a new chapter of our life. And today I am starting to use a new tool we got. It's a palm nailer to nail the ceiling joist. And Ernest is working on headers for some windows that we have inside. Have a blessed day, everyone. I need my glasses, Ernest.
Where are they at?
I think they're inside.
In the camper? I gotta go use the restroom. I'll have them in the sliding glass door for you.
Well, something new to learn about, that's for sure. Yeah, I need my hearing protection on. It's awesome, this thing is magnetic. No, I had him earlier. I might have left him out here while we were sitting earlier. Whew. I feel like I'm climbing a mountain just to get over here. Okay. I gotta go look for my glasses, so this is a good place to stop for a second. You get the idea. We're gonna be doing all of these hangers, and I'll let you see how it turns out at the end.